Round number 22. We start with the raising loop, but before we do it, we have to get to the first front post double crochet into this one. So when we do it, then we make the raising loop and 3 pieces into the middle one around it of front post double crochet. 1 loop, 2 front post double crochet around the first, 1 loop, simple double crochet into the arch, 1 loop, and again front post double crochet 2 times around the second, 1 loop, and we repeat 3 pieces into the middle, which is going to repeat itself everywhere, 1 loop, and here be attentive, you have to do first 2 pieces into the first and 1 piece into the second. Then we make 1 loop here, and this amazing element is called the puff stitch, or I also call it popcorn. Many people call it popcorn actually. Around this one middle you will have to do it. 1 loop, and we repeat the mirror pieces of front post double crochet. Let me show you. Let's make a slip stitch into here. 1, 2 slip stitch, and 3 slip stitch into the top. And here we have to make the raising loop, and into the middle front post double crochet we make 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. 1 loop. Into the next we make first front post double and second front post double crochet, 1 loop, 1 simple double crochet into the arch, 1 loop, and again 2 times front post double crochet into the second element, 1 loop here, and around this element we have to make 3. 1 into the middle one, again around the middle one, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, 1 loop. We go around the next one with 1 piece, 1 loop, and here we have to make a puff stitch. So I'm gonna fold for comfort. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we have to go with the hook into the first one and pull the yarn through it. 1 loop here again, and into the first one we go with 1 piece, and into the second one we go 2 times, 1 post double crochet, second post double crochet. Okay, so we continue the same way the whole round, and in the end I'm gonna finish the next one just to show you the ornament like that.